Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax messages from the Motorola Edge 14 Pro. So in the start we have to open the Play Store, then go to the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the Easy Fax. Just decide that you want to get notification and remember to grant permission to the camera and to the files. Go back to the app and tap on the plus to choose the source of your document. I'm going to pick something from my gallery. Like this one. Of course you can select more than one picture. If you're ready, click import. Now you can add this shape to your document and click arrow. Now choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for your receiver. And you can also add a signature, text and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept, type the number in this place, choose the country from the list. You can give a small note here, optional like we can see. Okay, now if you want to add more documents, maybe from the other source, click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, just get your free credits or buy it, click on this button, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.